Okay, this is behind the scenes of, well, we don't really have a title yet, but, you know. This is Michael.
Yeah.
This is me, Zach. We are the Brick Boys 519.
Brick Boys 518 sucks.
Not really, I got my idea from them. Okay, now this is the love scene of the windowsill and stuff. In every movie. Here's a tree. Here is a bouquet of flowers that he is handing to her. And here is a basketball hoop. Right there. And here is the back.
Absolutely nothing. She is just sitting. That is a crappy house right there. That is one of the worst houses I've ever seen.
Because you guys won't be seeing that in the videos. We will just be showing the front. So you will see. Oh, and we also did this and this to make it look like the room keeps going on. So, this is what you guys will be seeing in the real movie. You'll be seeing that. Okay, you see it.
Good.
And we do not have a title for it. We're still thinking about that. It will probably be on YouTube today or tomorrow, something like that. So, yeah, this is Brick Boys 519 signing out, and bye.